Hey guys, it's Carly Bell and welcome to my mess of a craft room. Today I am working on cleaning out my craft room because I want to build a new craft desk. So currently the door to walk in my craft room is here. My pretty craft table with my pegboard is here. Let me show you guys. So I got a new sewing machine I want to set up. This is a cabinet with my vinyl. So all of this is great. But this little L-shaped desk I have here is just not big enough. So I want to rearrange and build a new L-shaped desk in this area. So previously I had some bunk beds in here for when guests sleep over, but we're rearranging the house where the girls want to be in the same room together. So I got some beds for them, some two twin size beds, and we're turning Elise's room into a guest room / office for my husband. So I got the bunk beds out of here. I got the mattresses, which will go in the girls' room in their new twin beds. And so I want to clean out all of this area and set up my machines to see exactly how much room I really need to accomplish what I want. So I have a sewing machine, which I just got. I have a serger, which is on the floor down here. I have my Brother embroidery machine, and then I have heat press, silhouette, and laptop. So I'm wondering if I have enough room, if I made a huge L here, if I have enough room to set everything up. So first thing I need to do is clean out, move everything out of here, and I'm gonna set my machines up on the ground and really get an idea of how much desk space I need. So let's get started. Okay, so now that all of this floor space is cleared out, I'm pretty sure I'm going to want to keep my heat press in the corner area of the desk because I feel like this is going to be the deepest area and will be a nice place for the heat press. I'm thinking I might end up putting it on the end to keep it away from the machine. So for now, I'm going to just move this desk in this corner to get an idea of how much space I would have for the machines going this way. And I think the desk will go all the way to the window, and I think I'm gonna leave the corner of the window area open, so if you can see that. So right now, the corner area is where the desk is. I think I'm gonna stop the new desk right there and leave the corner open. So we will see. But let's move.
Mommy, could you go and help me put my costume on?
Yes.
I'm going to the post office.
Okay. So for now, we're gonna move this in the corner. Alright, so next I'm going to set up all my machines on the floor here to get an idea of the spacing I would need. So I think I like all the sewing machines in a row like this. I might not keep the heat press here though. I think I posted in some groups about how I thought about doing this, and someone suggested that the heat from the heat press might be too much, not good to be next to the machine. So I think I might make this my laptop area. Move this as close to the window and then have the silhouette right here. So then I'm right next to my embroidery machine with my laptop so I can see the design as it's stitching out. So I think this is enough room for the 3 sewing machines. So let me measure this to see. I was guessing about 8 feet, or a little shy of 8 feet for the length of this part of the desk. So let's see if that's gonna work. Yeah, the serger is right at 8 feet. So it would probably need to be pushed in a little bit more. I probably can push the embroidery machine over. Also, if I really want more workspace, I'm also thinking that this whole upper wall, so I think I've decided I'm going to make the desk at counter height. And I'm going to get a swivel stool, like a desk chair, but that is adjustable to counter height. Then I want to have shelving all up on this wall, and then have the under cabinet lighting under the bottom shelf, so I have a good lighting on this work area. And another option will be that there will be some storage underneath the desk, and that I can put the serger away and just have a bigger space for the sewing machine, and interchange them as needed. And if I do need them both out, I can, it's a big enough space where I can move things around and have more space if I need it. I'll also have my craft table still here for if I need to move something there, or that's going to be mainly my area for cutting the fabric, ironing, working on hooping, those kinds of things. So I think this is going to work. Thank you for watching today's video on my craft room reorganization and project building. So I will keep you guys posted on when we actually will start building the desk. I'm hoping that we'll get some lumber within the next couple days and start putting together. And I'll put together another video showing you how we build it, where we found our plans, and how we modified them to fit my room. And I have some other ideas up my sleeve on storage and also on adjusting the desk so that it's comfortable for sewing, because most people don't sew at a counter height desk. I just so happen to always use my craft desk when I sew, and I stand up and do it, which is probably weird, but it's just my only real option right now. But I have some ideas on places to put the foot pedal under the desk and raised up so that it might be more comfortable to sit at the counter height desk but still feel like a normal 30-inch high desk. So thanks again, and keep watching for future videos on how we set everything up. I also will be doing an unboxing video of my new sewing machine, so keep a lookout for that. And also I wanted to let y'all know I started a new Facebook group for people who are just beginning embroidery and looking for tips and tricks. Even if you're an experienced embroiderer, everybody does things differently. So even though I've been doing this for 5 years, I still watch videos and learn new things all the time. So this group is for that, for anybody interested in embroidery or already does embroidery but wants to learn new tips and tricks. It's just a really nice community where we can help each other out. Also, I post tips on a somewhat regular basis, more than I do here on YouTube. And we also go over vinyl projects and using Silhouette, Cameo, and other people have Cricut, so we go over that kind of stuff as well. So the link for the Facebook group is in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out whenever you have time. But Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.